What's better than starting a great day with an unboxing? Good cushion. At least it's better than this so-called company that ship their models in a bag. We begin with van, and then spotlight car. Is this Mattel? Yes, it's Mattel. Of course, there's just a dummy light. It's not nothing inside, not like another box car or van. And I guess one of these is for seller state source description. Seller's description say it's all working. So we have look. I think one of these belongs to look. I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's this one right here. Is it the other one? I don't know. We'll figure out. And we have then some sort of splash cargo, paint, whatever. Solder Ironworks, and also Dart. So these are the same, the diesels that come in What's My Buffers video. That's the only one I've seen. I don't watch so many Thomas episodes unless I'm doing some research. Apple car. What's this? Annie. Oh no, this is Clarabelle. Good. And we have Henrietta. Needs a little cleaning. So they say it work. They all work. So we're gonna find out in a minute. Reneas, good for custom. None of these have batteries in it. And this one is heavy. I don't know if the batteries are in there, but feels heavy. Arthur, a little heavier than. This is one of very clever ideas that Rock Crusher card. Pretty awesome. Today's toys, they are just garbage. I mean, let's be honest. All Engines Go and Trackmaster Revolutions, it's only garbage. This is just for the merchandise. We have Dodge. Okay, let's see how many of these work. First, we begin with Thomas. Good. Clean battery terminals. Little bit of it needs a little bit of cleaning. Yeah, it's a little noisy. Not bad. If it runs, yeah, it works. Good deal. Next, we have Reneas. Let's open Reneas up and see what's. Looks clean. Okay, it's missing the little ring, that clear ring that goes in here. But anyways, yeah, you can see this is faster than Thomas. Something wrong with this Thomas, but Reneas, definitely, it's good. Good Reneas, excellent. Now let's continue. I will put this screw in here, or otherwise I'm gonna lose it and never find it again. So we have two good models. That's great. So let's move the cuts out. Next, let's try Dodge. You know, most of these models, these little dummy wheels or fake wheels, most of the time you cannot find them if you buy them online or anywhere. Anyways, where my C battery at? Okay, battery terminals are clean. Something is wrong on the lever. No, it's not the battery, it's the lever. Or is it the battery? Yeah, it was no, it's the lever. Yeah, I can tap it, see? Something wrong with the lever, but at least it's working. Come on. Right there. Anyways, it works. All right, let's continue. I'm just gonna leave it like that for a minute. That one works. And we have then battery terminals are clean. Good, it is working. Nice. You know what this means? It needs a new cold or new gear. And other than that, and cleaning, other than that, it's a good model. And then we continue with Dart. Yep, clean. So that means it's good not to have like battery corrosion. This model also, it is in good working condition. Let me tell you something. I've been reading a lot of posts on Facebook, and they say, okay, we are selling the Thomas models, and the we already get rid of the non-working models, and they put those good models in the trash. They just need a little bit of, what am I doing here? See, this is when I'm distracted talking. So they toss away the good models. So here is where you need to unscrew it. But anyways, yeah, they should. Oh, there is a little bit of dirt. Noisy. It's actually two cogs that need to be replaced. One is in the gear, the other one is in the motor. Well, at least it works. And the last model we have look, also from Mattel. Yeah, this definitely looks very awesome, and it works. Yeah, it works. Excellent. So we have a good deal today also. Of course, I'm not gonna say how much I paid, but it was great. I guess we're gonna repaint this thing. I wish I could make light up. I can do it, but I need to run the wires, and it could look nice. You need to run the wires through the card, and then just the little LED light inside. Yeah, I think that will could look awesome actually.
They're probably sleeping.